Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to the DJ TV and we are going to the Niagara Falls. As you can see, it's still falling. We will show you what's going on over there, like frozen stuff and all the thing, frozen Niagara Lake maybe. We'll check it. We'll show you the landscape over here. We are just about to reach there in 7 minutes and like it will be good, I guess. Show the view of outside. Show the
rock and roll, eh?
We'll show you.
Join this video, bro.
Okay, cut it down.
Next
Guys, we just arrived in Niagara Falls and the road is too slippery because of the black ice.
And cheese curd. So it's the exact same poutine. Only no subscription fees with this one. Here. Again.
It is the Tower of the Niagara. What is it called? Do you have any idea?
The tower zone.
Tower zone? I don't know. I'll type in description, no worries. So guys, as you can see, the weather is very good. It's snow and we are just near Niagara Falls and we will show you like how beautiful it is. So guys, as you can see, this road goes to USA. Actually, Niagara Falls is attached with USA. Half of its part is attached with USA. So I will show you.
Happens.
That's the Niagara town. As you can see, it's very beautiful.
Club 7.
And it's the Club 7. Maybe we'll go there.
That's the Club 7.
That's the... Oh yeah, that's the Club 7. We will go over there, maybe. That's the tower.
Yeah.
So guys, we have reached Niagara Falls and as you can see, it's a Clifton Hill and it's a very amazing place. If you live nearby Ontario or Toronto you live in, just come here, man. This looks beautiful.
Yo, you wanna do bowling?
Niagara Falls, as you can see, like it's really, really beautiful. Like, come in like every month.
Too good on.
Maybe make it more. guys, we are in the Niagara Falls and it's really amazing. Like I seen the day view, but night view I'm seeing it for the first time. It's really good. Let me show you. So guys, as you can see, this look very beautiful. I want to buy a house here, you know. And after that, there is a USA. You can see the USA highway over there,
Yeah, we can see.
and it's attached to the USA. That one is USA one, that one is Canadian one, and both look amazing, you know. As you guys can see, they changed their color too, and it's look really beautiful, rainbow colors. Nightlife is good in Niagara Falls, better than Toronto. And view is amazing. मेरे को घूर रहा? Every side Niagara look just beautiful. I used to read about this in my.
Oh, okay.
So we are just ending this vlog. View is so amazing. Phone has no battery.
To make some money from casinos.
Maybe we are going to casino. We will show you what's going on casino maybe. Guys, we are eventually ending this vlog maybe, but we'll show you a little bit more.